So getting a degree 100 Paragon in solo play is actually possible, and here's how to do it and get the perfect Paragon hidden achievement. So Paragon degrees are determined by the amount of power that is given to it. So to get a degree 100 Paragon, we need 200,000 power, and here is a complete breakdown on how to achieve that. So each tier 5 tower contributes 10,000 power, excluding the first 3. So this is why playing in a co-op used to be necessary, so that everyone places their tier 5 towers, but not anymore. In fact, when making the Dart Paragon, for example, we have the extra crossbow master monkey knowledge, which allows us to get an additional tier 5 tower, and this means that the second crossbow master contributes 10,000 power. Every $25 worth of sacrifices contribute 1 power for a maximum of 10,000 power. This means that we need to sacrifice at least $250,000 worth of towers to get 10,000 power, which are all of these guys right here. Each non-tier 5 upgrade contributes 100 power for a maximum of 10,000. So this means that we need 100 non-tier 5 upgrades, and the same darts that we're sacrificing here on the left are also contributing to the power through the upgrades that they have. So all of their non-tier 5 upgrades are worth 10,000 power. Every 180 pops contribute to 1 power for a maximum of 90,000 power. So this means that we need at least 16,200,000 pops to get to the 90,000 power threshold. So before sacrificing, make sure that you have well over 16,200,000 pops across all of the towers that you're going to be sacrificing. So this goes for the tier 5s, but also for the other sacrificial towers. So after this, we are at 120,000 power, which is enough for a degree 79 Dart Paragon, but we're missing 80,000 power to get to that degree 100, and this is where Geraldo's Paragon power totems come in play. One totem is worth 1,500 power. This means that we need 54 Paragon Totems to have enough power for a degree 100 Paragon. So if you have everything else, it's just a waiting game for Geraldo to restock his Paragon Totems. Whenever a totem is available for purchase, buy it and place it. And keep in mind that we can only hold 2 totems at a time, so you should be buying and placing them as soon as they're available. At level 20, he restocks his totems, so we can just keep selling and rebuying him to get a restock on the totems. And when you have 54 totems in total, upgrade your Dart Monkey and get a degree 100 Dart Paragon. Now this can be done with other Paragons as well, but because we don't have the extra tier 5 tower, like we have the extra crossbow master monkey knowledge, this means that we will need an additional 6 totems, so 60 in total, to get a degree 100 on any other Paragon. So that is exactly how to get a degree 100 Paragon, which also unlocks the Paragon of Paragons hidden achievement. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.